today I'm going to share my own life story. Good evening, everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked back at your childhood and thought life used to be so simple? Comment below right now if you have ever felt that way. Yes, me too. When I was young, I thought life was easy. I would wake up, eat breakfast, go to school, come home, play with my friends, and sleep. That was my whole world. No big problems, no worries, just small things like homework or bedtime. I thought being kind meant people would always be kind to me. I believed adults had all the answers. I thought if I worked hard, everything would always go well. But then I grew up and I saw that life isn't always that simple. Sometimes people lie, sometimes we fail, even when we try our best. Sometimes we feel lost, tired, and broken. And sometimes good people still face bad days. Have you ever worked really hard and still felt like it wasn't enough? I have been there too. But you know what? I learned life doesn't have to be simple to be beautiful. Hard times help us grow. Pain makes us stronger. Every challenge teaches us something new. We don't become strong by avoiding problems. We become strong by facing them. So, if you are feeling tired, stuck, or unsure, ask yourself this: are you willing to keep going even when it's hard? That's what makes the difference. Not giving up, not waiting for a perfect life, but choosing to grow through an imperfect one. No, life isn't easy as it once felt, but it's full of meaning, full of lessons, and full of chances to become better. So, don't be afraid of the hard days. They are helping you to become the person you were meant to be. Your story isn't over. In fact, it's just beginning. I used to think life was simple, but now I know it's powerful. If you believe someone else needs to hear this too, share it. And if you want more truth and motivation, subscribe now. Thank you. For other more motivation videos, please do subscribe my channel and see you at the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.